News now from Uttar Pradesh, where a 50-year-old woman was gang raped and murdered allegedly by 3 men, including a priest and his 2 disciples, on Sunday night in western UP's Badaयूं district. The police say 2 men have been arrested and a case has been registered. Images from the woman's home taken on Monday morning show her body lying on a cot surrounded by family members and villagers. A tweet by the Badaयूं police said that a case of gang rape and murder had been filed and 2 arrests were made. Action also being taken against local policemen for negligence. Sources say one person has been suspended over the delay in registering the FIR. Now, video of the accused priest is also available. This was recorded on Monday, and it shows him claiming that the woman fell into a well near the place of worship and that he and others had actually rescued her.
सही ही जिस टाइम पहुंचा के गए रात के 11 बजे या मृतक ही?
नहीं, ऐसे ही मृतक,
मतलब मरी हुई थी।
हाँ, हम आवाज मारी, कबाड़ खोल गए। हमने कबाड़ खोले तो जल्दी से यहाँ डाल के ना यहाँ पे तो चले गए, रुके भी ना। हमने
हमारी माँ किसने मारी?
उन्होंने मारी है, डाल के गए उन्होंने मारी है।
मतलब बाबा ने? हाँ। तो जे पहले जाती थी बाबा के पास?
पूजा करने जाती थी, पहले जाती थी।
तो जैसे रात के 11 बजे, तो किस टाइम से पूजा करने वहाँ गई?
शाम को गई थी।
क्या बजे लगभग?
5 बजे।
तो 5 बजे गई थी।
लगभग 50 वर्षीय एक महिला की संदिग्ध परिस्थितियों में मृत्यु होने पर परिजनों की तहरीर के आधार पर और पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट के आधार पर सेक्शन 376 डी IPC और 302 IPC का मुकदमा पंजीकृत किया गया था। इस प्रकरण में 2 अभियुक्तों की गिरफ्तारी अभी तक हो गई है और इसी प्रकरण में एक प्रारंभिक जांच में प्रथम दृष्टया लापरवाही बरते जाने के दोषी पाए जाने के फलस्वरूप जो तत्कालीन थाना प्रभारी हैं उन्हें निलंबित कर दिया गया है।
फिर जब मर कैसे गई? हाँ, कुएं में कैसे गिरी?
कुआ मुझे आई है तब मैं लेकर गिरी।
अपना भी गिर गई
और हमारे मालूम बना पड़ी,
तुम्हें जानकारी ना?
हाँ, जब क्या नहीं तो बज के गए
अंदर क्या नहीं?
हाँ।
तो पता चल गई तुम्हें?
हाँ।
फिर
तो मैंने कही एक आदमी लाई लेवाई।
तो जब इसमें जो लड़की निकाली मरी हुई निकली है, बाहर सांस चल रही?
जिंदा।
फिर
जिंदा गई।
जिंदा घर पे गई? फिर खत्म कैसे हुई?
फिर हुआ ही जाके खत्म हुई।
घर पे खत्म हुई? फिर पूरी रात कहाँ रही?
वही घर पर।
Some details you've already spoken about in your anchor link. The details beyond that are really very disturbing. Can't share all of that, but some one can certainly talk about. For instance, the photos that were collected by local media people on Monday afternoon from the home of the woman in her village in Badaयूं, they appear to show her clothes soaked in blood. And one of her legs appears broken and bent at the foot. So there are signs of grievous injuries. We heard the police officer say that they have registered a case based on the postmortem reports. On the postmortem report, I haven't seen the postmortem report myself, but I have seen those photographs and they do appear to indicate grievous injuries to the woman. That's number one. Number two, the men who've been arrested are associated, at least one of them, with a place of worship in the area. And that man was on camera also claiming that the woman had fallen into a well and that after that they are the ones who rescued her. But obviously now the police have registered a murder and a gang rape case and they have arrested 2 accused. One of them is still absconding. The incident took place on Sunday night. The police, reportedly the local Thana did not initially register a rape and murder FIR, despite what the family members of the woman were saying. And they only registered a case of that nature once the postmortem report had come. And for that act, the local SHO has been suspended. Again, the police officer is on record to say it. But a very disturbing case took place on Sunday night, but has come to light just now. For now, like I said, 2 people have been arrested and investigations continue.